Hi, this is Mike from Kaleidescape. I want to show you a great new feature that we've added to the Kaleidescape Alto with the release of Chaos 6.2, and that's the ability to play DVDs and Blu-ray discs from a disc vault. Now, the Alto has always had the ability to catalog discs, which means adding them to the on-screen library without copying the content onto the hard disk. This allows your disc-based movies to appear side by side with the movies you've downloaded from the Kaleidescape movie store. Until now, though, when you wanted to play one of those cataloged movies, you've had to put the disc into the Alto. Now there's an easier way. When you add a disc vault to your Alto system, all the DVDs and Blu-ray discs you put into the vault become available for playback on demand. Let me show you how it works. So here's a Kaleidescape Alto, and right now most of the movies on it came from the Kaleidescape movie store. But I've linked a disc vault with the Alto, and I've inserted a couple of discs. Here's one of them. It's The Incredibles on DVD. Now, this movie is actually available on the movie store, but for purposes of this demonstration, it'll do just fine. When I put this disc into the disc vault, it was automatically cataloged by the Alto with no additional steps required. For someone who might have dozens or even hundreds of discs, that's a real time saver. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit play now. What happens when I do that is that the disc vault loads the disc into the optical drive, and it sends the digital data over the network to the movie player. It takes between 20 and 40 seconds on average for the disc vault to load the disc and make it ready, but everything else behaves exactly as you're used to with Kaleidescape. The movie starts playing right from the beginning without menus and warning messages, and you have direct access to scenes, songs, and special features as usual. The only difference is that the digital bits are being read from an optical disc instead of from a hard disk. Now you can see that before I even finished describing the feature, the movie's begun playing. It took about 25 seconds in this case. Now, a disc vault has one internal optical drive, so if you happen to have a multi-zone Alto system, one Alto at a time can use the vault to play a movie. With this new feature, the Alto is able to seamlessly stitch together all of the great movies you've downloaded from the Kaleidescape movie store, plus your disc-based collection, into a single, beautiful on-screen library of movies that can be played effortlessly on demand. To add a disc vault to your Alto system, contact your Kaleidescape dealer.